Oh, I'm this close to giving up. Damn. This was rough. But as of right now, I have a good feeling and I think it's gonna work and we're gonna go for it. Hey, it's Mads and welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you? Can you guess where I am? Yeah, I'm back outside. I have caught the bug, my friends. I want nothing more than to keep doing things to furniture. I caught the bug. I felt so great last week. I was so proud of that project that, surprise, surprise, we're doing it again this week. I'm so excited. I found this piece below here at my local thrift store. I paid $40 for her. I really like her. I really love the fronts of the drawers and everything about her shape and size is really great. I also love her like shallow, deep drawers with a little spice and a little sprucing up. We can really get her into a beautiful place because she's got great bones, but she does have some issues. She needs to be cleaned up, and unfortunately, I hate to tell you this, it's veneer again. I know, veneer again, but this isn't the same veneer from last week where it's like a sticker. From what I can tell, this is actually like wood veneer put on top of particle board. So I think we're gonna be able to sand it and stain it. I'm gonna try. If not, we'll paint it. If not, we'll come up with a plan B. But plan A is to see if we can sand off the top layer of this veneer and actually stain the actual veneer itself. I think that that would look really pretty and work out for us, but I'm really nervous and scared. But that is plan A, and we'll see how that goes. Before we jump all the way into this video, I just wanted to remind you guys, this is YouTube and you know how this works. So if you do like this video, please go ahead and give it a like. If you like me, please consider subscribing to this channel. It is a small channel, but we are growing. I put out new videos every Sunday. I've just started dabbling in shorts, and you can also find me on TikTok and on Instagram. I do a lot of fun stuff in a lot of fun places, so I hope to see you there. Anyway, I am too excited and nervous to jump into this. I'm gonna pour myself a quick little drink and we can get going. I have everything set up for us to do a couple of little experiments. I have my palm sander with some 180 grit sandpaper. I want to go low and slow and like take it off as lightly as I can because I don't want to bust through the veneer, and just take off like the top coating, essentially like the stain or whatever is on top of it now, and get down to it. And we're gonna go in with my pre-conditioner that I know and love and that has worked, which is the Varathane water-based pre-stained wood conditioner. I'm gonna go in with a layer of that on this first square, let that dry while I just go in and stain with the stain and polyurethane from Varathane in Mission O on another test square just to see the difference. I have a feeling I'm gonna need to pre-stain if this does work, but I do just wanna see like the difference between the two. I've never done this on veneer, so I figured I might as well test out the options and see what it looks like and hope that it works out for us and see what gets us the best result. All right, here is the like current state of affairs. This back one is the pre-conditioned version, and then there's kind of like three sections: 1 coat, 2 coat, and 3 coats. 3 coats is looking the best, and I do think it's looking correct. Like, I think that's the way it's supposed to look. Is it as nice as I want it to be? No, but I do think it could work. The second one is definitely a no. This is the unconditioned, same thing. 1 coat, 2 coat, 3 coat. It definitely needs the wood conditioner. And then beside that, I just tested out a couple of paint colors I already had on hand. I have this it's Bare Almond Wisp. I really love this color. I'm not sold on it being for furniture. I really love this for walls, but I just wanted to see what it looked like. And then I also have a little swatch of the Stuart House Brown as well that we used last week. I just wanted to see what it looked like comparatively to see if painting was a good option. But I do think it's viable to stain it. It's just gonna need at least 3 coats of this Mission Oak, and I think that's fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of this dresser prepped to be sanded down, and we're gonna give it a go and get as much done as we can today. And if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out and we'll pivot. But as of right now, I have a good feeling and I think it's gonna work, and we're gonna go for it. might be a little weird. I am at a moment of defeat. I've been sanding for hours, like hours and hours. I think this is like hour 5.5. I'm working on 6 hours here, and this is getting like to the, this is the only drawer I've started to work on, and I'm not even fully done the base. I just like couldn't do it anymore. This is like really frustrating because it's like I have to go low and slow because it's veneer and I don't want to like burn through the veneer. It's a million small passes. My hands hurt and I'm just like, oh, I'm this close to giving up, but I just like, I know I have to keep pushing and getting this done, but I need to like, I don't know, do something else. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the pre-stain treatment on the parts that I have done, just to like do something else for a minute and like recalibrate my head and just think about something else and get my hands off that damn sander and hopefully get rid of this cramp, regroup and rekindle my fire, because I'm at the brink. I'm this close to just painting the whole thing. I am this close to just painting the whole thing. This has been so much work.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. 7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. For our home to show on the horizon, soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. Drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore.
Okay guys, I think I need to call this here and put this away because everything I do is not working. The stain isn't taking, right? Like it is so patchy and so ugly that there's no way. And I haven't even started to sand the drawers yet. And so there's like so much more work that needs to be done here. So in order for you guys to have a video this week, I'm going to cut this here and I'm going to make this into a video. And we will do part 2 next week, and I will come up with a plan and we will make this beautiful. But for now, I'm gonna sign off because I'm getting really frustrated and I need a minute and I need a snack. I hate it when things don't work, but it's okay. Not everything can be right the first time, and that's okay. I'm gonna learn to let this go and come up with a better plan and make this work so that it turns out beautiful and it works out in our favor and looks good to me, because right now it's looking really patchy and really rough. So there's just like no way staining it is gonna work. Okay. Okay. I will see you guys next week. thank you so much for watching. Again, if you liked this video, please give it a like. If you liked me, please consider subscribing to my channel. I make DIY content of all kinds, from dyeing and cutting my own hair to flipping furniture to sewing my own clothes. I like to dabble in everything. I like to call them my ADHD crafts. And this week is a loss, but we will get a win next week. I will plan for a win, so I will see you guys then. Have a great rest of your day. Bye. Damn.